Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect Temu to Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now to link Temu, you're going to need a third-party application or an extension for Shopify, since there is no official integration for Temu and Shopify as of yet. So let me show you how that is done. Now I won't be able to show you the specifics because the app that I'm going to show you, which I do recommend, requires a paid for subscription, which I don't have at the moment. But what you need to do is go into your settings on Shopify, then go over and click on apps and sales channels. And as you can see, I already have the Temu and AliExpress dropshipping app installed. But if you don't, go into Shopify App Store and just type in Temu in the search bar. And once you do, and once you make the search, you'll get these two, Dropshipman and Temu and AliExpress dropshipping. This used to be called Cardifind, so I do recommend this one. This one is the more famous one out of the two, if I remember correctly. However, Dropshipman is used for AliExpress, Alibaba, and Temu, so you can use that as well. However, that is free to install, and this does have a free trial. However, I do not have it, and for some reason I cannot access it at the moment. So yeah, just install this. This I know how to work with, this I don't, but if you figure out how to use it, I'm pretty sure it will be just as useful, if not more. And you can also use this as well. Whichever app has Temu in its description will fit the bill just fine. But yeah, for the Cardifying one, you just need to install that. Then you need to install a Chrome extension. Use the app on your Shopify page to generate a key. And once you get a key, log into your Chrome extension. Then just go over into Temu, select the well, items or products that you want. And once you do, you'll be able to pretty much just import them into Shopify. And once you do, that's pretty much all there is to do and all you have to do. And that is basically it. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys specifically what you need to do, but again, I don't have the subscription and I don't have the money needed to get it as of yet. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.